Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Video ads are one of the most powerful ways to capture attention online. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a video ad in Google Ads 2026 from choosing the format to launching your campaign. Just follow these few simple steps. First thing you want to do is to set up your Google Ads account. You're gonna head to business.google.com and make sure to sign in with your Google account. After that, you're gonna click on the Start Now button and you're gonna fill in the informations about your business, such as the business name and the business website. Once you do that, you're gonna choose and create a new campaign. You're gonna create a campaign by clicking on the plus new campaign in the dashboard of your Google Ads account. Like you see here, you're gonna click on the plus button and click on new campaign. Then you're gonna choose the brand awareness, leads, or sales, depending on which one you want. You're gonna select the campaign goal and you're gonna go and select the ads type or the campaign type. For example, you're gonna go and select video from here. As you can see, it says reach and engage viewers on YouTube and across the web. You're gonna select this option right here. And after that, you're gonna choose the video campaign subtype. Options include skippable in-stream, in-feed video ads, or bumper ads. You're gonna choose that. And then set a budget and bidding. You can choose bidding like max CVP, target CPM, or maximize conversions. And after that, you can create the video ad by passing your video URL, add headlines, descriptions, and CTA, and select the final landing page. After that, you're gonna target your audience. You're gonna choose the locations, the demographics, interests, and a custom audience. And once you do that, you're gonna make sure to hook viewers in the first 5 seconds. Use captions for silent viewers and keep videos concise and clear. And that's how you create a video ad in Google Ads 2026. Video ads are perfect for awareness and engagement. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.